Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we explore one of London's best-kept secrets, which is the Kyoto Garden, nestled within the picturesque Holland Park in Kensington. Join us as we take a serene journey through this breathtaking Japanese oasis. Holland Park is a 22-hectare park in West London, which is situated around the ruins of Holland House. Today, the Kyoto Garden is a popular part of Holland Park. This garden was a gift from the city of Kyoto to London in 1991, commemorating the long-standing friendship between the two cities. With a tiered waterfall as its centerpiece, traditional stone lanterns and a tranquil pond filled with koi carp in front of the water feature, this is a place where you can really feel zen. There are a family of peacocks that live inside the park, and often they are seen strutting around Kyoto Garden. If you plan to visit, make sure to come early in the morning or during weekdays to avoid crowds. Taking a few hours to explore this peaceful garden is a must-do for anyone looking to escape the busy London life or just experience something a bit more unique in the capital. A little dose of quiet reflection here, and you'll really feel at one with nature as you mingle with the local wildlife in Holland Park. Other than the Kyoto Garden, there are formal gardens and woodland walks, children's play and adventure areas, an ecology centre, art exhibitions, and much more to be found within Holland Park. And there you have it, a glimpse into the Kyoto Garden and rest of Holland Park. It's a hidden gem right in the heart of London, offering a serene escape. As always, thank you for joining us on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel content. Until next time, we hope you find your own piece of serenity in the world and keep exploring. Goodbye.